Hello everyone. Once again I'm here with another theorem. This theorem is parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Okay. This theorem is also very important for class 9 and 10 for any of the boards. Either it's the West Bengal, Bihar, state boards, any of the state boards, CBSE, ICSE and even NOS, right? So let's see how to prove this. Okay, once again, just to prove this, you must know the some of the properties of a parallelogram, right? Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, right? Any of the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. And one more fact, that if two lines are parallel and each intersected by a transversal line, if like two lines are parallel and intersected by a transversal line, then this here alternate angles are equal. For alternate, both should be interior opposite of the transversal line, right? Alternate angles are equal and corresponding angles are also equal. Corresponding angle for this, these two are corresponding. So here we will be using the corresponding angles if two lines are parallel and intersected by a third line. Okay, so let's start proving this theorem. So you know, as usual, first of all you need to draw one parallelogram. So let's draw one parallelogram. Sorry, just draw one parallelogram. This is one, this is, just suppose this is a parallelogram. Okay, here this line is parallel and another is, this line is parallel, right? This is A, B, C and D. Here AD is parallel to BC, BA, or you can say AB is parallel to CD. This is one parallelogram. Another parallelogram you need to draw here. One, this one, and let this be another parallelogram. So another parallelogram is BC, ABCD. We have given name BC, E and F, right? This is another parallelogram, isn't it? Okay, so we need to prove that here parallelogram on the same base. Two parallelograms are here, ABCD and FBCE. These are two parallelograms on same base BC and between same parallel lines BC and AE. Okay, so we need to prove that these two are equal in area. So first of all we must write given, right? दिया हुआ है. ओके, फॉर हिंदी में स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है कि अगर दो पैरेललोग्राम, दो सेम पैरेलल लाइंस एंड सेम बेस के बीच में, बेस आधार के बीच में अगर बनती है तो दोनों पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया, क्षेत्रफल इक्वल होगा. ओके, सो लेट्स प्रूव इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप गिवन में आप लिख लेना प्लीज कि टू पैरेललोग्राम ABCD and FBCE, right? Two parallelograms are given on the same base BC and between same parallel lines BC and AE. Please, you just write down to prove. We need to prove that area of parallelogram ABCD equals to area of parallelogram, which one? FBCE. FBCE. These two are equal in area. We need to prove. Okay, let's prove it. Proof. Okay, while giving proof, आपको क्या ध्यान देना है कि you know that this here AB is parallel to DE, right? AB is parallel to DE, isn't it? parallel. Here FB is parallel to EC. Therefore, one fact already I told you that if two parallel lines are there and is intersected by a third transversal line, then their corresponding angles are always equal, right? So corresponding angles here, this angle and this angle, these two will be corresponding to each other. Okay, now corresponding angles. So first of all, you should write that since this AB is parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC, and AE is a transversal line. Therefore, angle BAE, or you can say angle BAF, equals to corresponding angle CDE. Okay, now so we will be taking in triangle. See here, two triangles we will be taking. This one, triangle ABF, and triangle another one CDE. Okay, let's prove that these two are congruent. Okay, now so first of all, angle BAF equals to corresponding angle CDE. Just write here, corresponding angle CDE. Okay, again first we got, again for these angles here, this angle and these two are corresponding angle, isn't it? Why? Because again BF is parallel to ED. Okay, you just write here, since AB is parallel to DC. Again angle AFB equals to corresponding angle, which one? This angle DEC. What reason you will write here? Since FB is parallel to EC. Okay, so two conditions we got here. One condition, you know that this is a parallelogram, so AB equals to DC. Sorry, there is no place, so I am writing here. You pause and watch. Okay, now. Okay, so now again AB equals to side DC. Why? Because they are opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. This is a parallelogram, opposite sides are always equal, isn't it? Therefore, three conditions we got. Therefore, triangle ABF, see, triangle ABF is congruent to triangle DCE, isn't it? By erasing this. I'm sorry, there is no place. In future, maybe I will be getting a bigger whiteboard or maybe a smart one. Okay, DC by what condition we got? Two angles one side, by angle side angle, isn't it? Okay, so we proved it. Okay, now therefore area, shall I erase it? Okay. Therefore, area of triangle ABF equals to area of triangle DCE, isn't it? Okay. Now see here, both sides we add ABCD. This is a trapezium. See here, this is the trapezium. We are going to add both sides of this. Okay. By adding, you just write by adding trapezium FBCD both sides. Okay. So we get area of ABF plus area of trapezium, which one? FBCD equals to, this side we have area of DCE, area of what is there? DCE, isn't it? Plus area of trapezium, same trapezium, area of trapezium FBCD. Now you can easily see that this triangle plus this trapezium, it becomes ABCD, parallelogram, isn't it? Hence, therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD. You understood, no? This triangle ABF, this triangle plus trapezium, it becomes parallelogram ABCD, equals to this side, again this triangle plus same trapezium is there, it becomes F. This is F. FBCE, isn't it? Equals to area of parallelogram FBCD. Okay. So now we have proved that parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Hope I'm sorry. Hope you find this video very useful. आप इसको बार-बार देखिए, वॉच कीजिए और इसको try to understand. ठीक है? Very soon I will be coming with the new video with some other topic. Till then, bye bye.